Today we are doing a super fun video that I'm really excited about. We are going to be attempting to recreate some outfits that I really like on Pinterest. This is just something that I do in general, just in my normal life anyway, because I love getting inspiration from Pinterest. Shameless self-plug, definitely go follow me on Pinterest. So where I just get like inspiration for literally everything, home decor, outfits, food, just like life in general, I always refer to Pinterest. So I thought it'd be fun to sort of pick out 5 different outfits and do my best to use just the things in my closet to recreate these outfits. And the idea is just to inspire you to know that you can do tons of things with the clothes in your closet that you haven't done yet. You don't always need to go shopping. You can go shopping in your closet and try to rediscover and reuse and recreate different pieces in different ways. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we are going to start with this cool sort of trench coat look that we have here. It's one of the more simple looks, so I figured it's a good place to start, get that creative juices rolling, and see what we can do. So as you can see, my closet is stuffed. I should absolutely be able to figure out ways to recreate these outfits using all of this. Let's see, she has these jeans on that are definitely more of like a mom cut. And then this ribbed black turtleneck situation. Okay, feeling very good about where we're at so far. So now it's really the accessories. So obviously we have to figure out something for this bag, and then I zoomed in really close to try to check out her earrings. They just look like gold dangly earrings, so I have to see what I can find. And then clearly her hair is up, so we're gonna put our hair up as well. But we're pretty close here, guys. I do not wear dangly earrings like ever, so this is sort of a challenge for me. I think we're just gonna have to go with, this is probably the best that we've got, and it's gold, so it sort of suggests what her outfit had going on. Okay, and then for the bag, so I'm conflicted about what to do here. So do I pick a bag that's like hers, that has like the longer strap, but you can hold it by here? In which case I would grab this white bag here, but this is obviously very different than the bag that she was holding. Otherwise, I feel like this is sort of our best bet because it's like neutral, it has sort of that brown leather that hers had. I think we're gonna go with the white. Do you like my slippers? I know this is a different vibe, but I feel like I get it more from this than from the other, so we're gonna go with this. Alrighty, here is outfit number 1. Fully picked out. I feel like this is gonna be a pretty good recreation. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, here is the comparison between the original and mine. I actually think I sort of nailed this. Obviously the bag's a little different, but I feel like you get the exact same vibe from this outfit that you did from the other one. And it's honestly one of my favorite outfits in this video. I think it's really cute. It almost makes me want a nice chilly day in LA again since it's been warming up here just so I can wear this. It's really casual, but still professional and definitely stylish. So I think it finds a really nice middle point there where you could wear it to lots of different occasions. And just overall, I just really like this look and definitely will be wearing it out in the world. This is probably the look that you'll see in this video that you are most likely to see me actually wearing at some point. Okay, outfit number 2. I just have the absolute perfect thing in mind for this. I am so excited to recreate this look. Definitely gotta go with the blue blazer for this one to give that pop of color like the green gives in theirs. White bottoms, we want, oh I know, white shorts down here. Perfect. I don't have a super short black bag like that one, but I think this black will definitely do. So we need definitely lots of layered jewelry. We need those gold hoops again, and then we cannot see what shoes she's wearing, so we're gonna pair it with sneakers, I think. I feel like this one's going to be pretty spot on. I'm pretty excited to see how it all comes together. We have lots of gold here for layering. The only thing I'm worried about is that this button might not be up high enough that I can go without a shirt on underneath this, so I may have to put a bandeau on, but otherwise, this is our completed look. No. I really don't think this look turned out the way that I was hoping that it would. It actually looks a little bit better on camera than I remember it looking in person, but overall I just don't think this is the look that we were going for, that great of a recreation of the outfit that we were trying to recreate. Just not good. So can we all agree that this is absolutely not the look we were going for? It's not right. Definitely a fail. So let's try it with one other blazer and see if it gets any better. I don't know. All right, I think we can all agree this is just really not my look. I think it's just not for me. I don't know. I really don't have an explanation, but I just really would prefer not to be wearing this outfit anymore because I hate it. I am so excited to recreate this look. Not only do I just find it to be really cute, but I'm pretty sure that I can nail it. Let's see, black sweater. These jeans, I don't know if I have any like darker colored jeans like that, but that's okay. Definitely have those boots, and we can find a bag that will replicate this look. Let's do it. Outfit number 3. I'm pretty excited for how this one's gonna turn out, I think. We have some jeans. They're not quite the right color, as I said, but there's no real distressing on them. And it sort of like fades in the middle, which is similar to in the original photo. This sweater, which definitely needs a lint roll. Thank you, Molly Cat. Of course, the Gucci belt, which should add a really nice touch to it. This bag, again, isn't exactly right, but I feel like this leather sort of pulls in the leather from the original photo. Thigh-high boots, of course, and then you can't fully see what earrings she's wearing in it or if she is wearing any, but it sort of looks like she might be in studs. So, oops, I'm just pairing it with these really simple gold emerald studs. I feel like when you're wearing a belt like this, which is such a statement piece, that you sort of just need to pare it down, keeping the jewelry a little bit more simple. Let's go try this fit on. I feel like we really nailed this one. Aside from the jeans, this is like pretty spot on. Also, my boots are flats and I'm pretty sure hers are heels, but you definitely get the same exact vibe from her outfit that you're getting from my outfit. I like the little bun. I just think that this whole thing sort of came together and is really trendy while also still being really practical. Like, it's not a ridiculous outfit that you wouldn't actually be able to wear, which I think sometimes on Pinterest, that's what you find on there. So I really like that about it. Also, Navarro, anyone? That's me. I'm a cheerleader. Who else watched cheer? Let me know. Anyway, again, really the only thing about this outfit that isn't exactly right is the bag, but I still think that you get the right feel. And overall, I definitely think that this was a success with recreating the original outfit. This is one of the looks I was most excited for because I just feel like I can nail this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to put together something that is just so similar to this look. Okay, we definitely need a front tying shirt, obviously. Use this one, I think. White bathing suit. This is, let's see. I don't have one that's exactly like that, I don't think. All right, this one is gonna do the trick. Straw bag, which one do I want? We're gonna go, I think this. Pretty good. The hat, I mean, this hat is so perfect for recreating this look. Yes. Again, no shoes are in it, so we're just going to throw on some sandals. I'm assuming she's wearing sandals. It's a beach vacation. Sorry, this plant is like sort of in the shot. But she's definitely wearing pendant jewelry, which I have some of on. This guy is probably our best bet at it. So I just noticed that this actually is a button-up collared shirt. So I think I'm gonna have to go with this guy instead. Ooh, is this one better? Doesn't have a collar on it, but this is definitely a backup. This is another one that I just think is so similar. White bikini top, little distressed shorts, and also something that I would like legitimately really wear and really like. This is Molly's favorite too, I guess, as well. What do you think? Do you approve? Yes? Okay, good girl. Let's go try this one on. I mean, did we sort of nail it again? Because I totally feel like we did. This is giving me all of the right vibes from the original photo. It's so beachy, it's so vacation-y. Like, I could totally see wearing this even just to the pool or to the beach here, but also just like on a beach vacation, like in Mexico or something. The hat and the bag look so cute together. And I just think it's really practical again with the long sleeve in case it gets windy or a little chilly towards the end of the day, but you can still have your bathing suit on. It's comfortable, it's
It's really cute. I think it photographed really nicely. So overall, I am super happy with how this one turned out. I think, again, we did a really good job of pulling in all of the important pieces from the original photo and making it work with my own closet.
Okay, this one is definitely throwing me for a bit of a trip, even though it's definitely one of the more simple looks that we're recreating. I'm very conflicted about the pants. So what I'm torn between is, do I go with white pants because her corduroys are white, or do I go with corduroy pants even though they're not white? And like, this pink corduroy would look cute with my scarf, I think. This is the scarf top that I have, which will work perfectly with recreating this. But what do I do about the bottoms? I don't know, I'm sort of being drawn to corduroy. Like, I know it's a lot of pink, but I sort of think that that's gonna be a fun look. So we are gonna go for it. Again, you can't see shoes with this, so I'm going to go ahead and just come up with something myself. And then jewelry, I have a little dangly choker that I think will work. I do not have a locket, so we'll have to come up with something different for that. All right, we're giving this a go. I don't know, looking at this is a lot of pink. This could end up being the biggest fail in this video, but we are gonna give it a try. And instead of doing a dangly necklace and then something sort of like the locket, I decided to go with this because it has a shorter choker, like the dangly one was, and then it has sort of a bigger, longer piece, which I think can sort of represent the locket situation. So we're gonna go with that and then probably just pair this with some sneakers.
I think I'm gonna give us a halvesies on this one. I think that it's pretty good as far as recreations go. I mean, you definitely get the whole vibe of it, but also it's not necessarily an outfit that I ended up loving when it was on me. I don't know, it just sort of looked not quite right. I feel like since it's two sort of different color pinks, it's not exactly the way that it should be, but I do think that it represents what the original photo sort of had going on in it, with the silky and then like the textured pant. I think the sneakers look really cute with it since they have the little pink tongue on them, so it sort of pulls the whole pink theme together. Overall, it's just a lot of pink, so I think we recreated it, but it's just not my favorite in general.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to shop your own closet, figure out some different things you can do with the clothes that you already own, and also just some inspiration for some cute outfits in general. So let's do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time.